India, why he just run out from the India? It was his mentality. It was his mentality, sir. It was his behavior. I don't respect that person.
Absolutely right. You can go outside. You can search about you. You can search. The discrimination is happening still. Still it's happening. Still it's happening. You can go and check out. You can go.
You have a father or not?
I have father.
You are believing or not?
So what is the conclusion?
I will tell you.
What is the conclusion on it?
Sir, you are
He is my father.
I welcome you each and every one, and I'm very happy to see your beautiful face. Not because of anything else, but cream and powder. Look at Salman. Please tell me honestly, which cream have you applied today?
No cream, sir.
Your friend can be true, right? By the way, your face must be beautiful because of knowledge, because of information, and because of course, you're speaking, guys. So today, you will have to have one topic. You have to have a topic. You gotta have a topic and come to the stage and fight with these people, guys. I will be one of trainees today. I'm not gonna be a trainer. I will be asking question. I will be arguing with you, and let me see who becomes great debater and arguer of the day, guys. So have you decided a topic? Basically, this is kind of solitary debate, or I could say, yeah, this is solitary one. Solitary means when something is done alone. You are alone here. Earlier we used to debate with our group, with our team, but today you're alone and you will be debating with the people. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to invite the first person of the day. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Shoaib, please go ahead, whatever you have decided.
So hello everyone.
Hello.
So I am here to debate with you. So I want to decide my topic. I am against our belief.
I'm against belief. Afni.
I am against belief. I do not believe in anything. I just ask a question. And I say that belief kills our intellectuality.
Wow.
Belief is one of the worst thing in this world. When you believe something, you do not ask a question. And when we do not ask question, we will be exploited. So, you have any?
बहुत अच्छा point. He doesn't believe in anything. If you believe, you can become superstitious as well. Yes, please.
I think belief is everything. If you are not believe, sir. If you don't believe, you don't achieve anything. Something you can't achieve thing.
You can't achieve anything.
Yes. So I think in my personally belief that belief is everything.
Of course.
First thing you have to believe, then after that you have to do work upon your goal.
Can I give example?
Okay. Yeah, of course. Suppose
I want to give example about Hitler.
Okay.
Hitler says in his autobiography, that when we advertise something again and again, then people start to believe it. He started believing. And he applied his thought. He started to advertise 4 to 5 years continuously. And the people started to believe and started.
What about you, sir? If you are doing something work, if you are not believing on yourself after some.
I am believing on logic. I am believing on fact. I am not believing on blindly.
And shut up if you make.
I give logic, then after I believe.
If you are doing something and you don't have belief on yourself after 3
I
to 4
have belief. I have belief, but logically I have belief. I do not believe blindly. If someone is saying that it is right, I do not believe. I just give logic. I just raise questions.
But you are saying that you don't have belief. You are not in belief favor.
What?
Of course, Mr. Shoaib, you said that I am against belief, but now you are manipulating logically and illogically. What is that? He doesn't deserve to talk to us, guys. Of course. He must be disqualified. Of course. You don't deserve to talk here. You wait, please. No, you should not talk. Wait. Yes.
Sir, you are.
No, but he has already been proven, right?
Sir, you are saying that I'm not believing to anything.
I don't believe.
I don't believe. Sir, you have a father or not?
I have father.
You are believing or not?
So what is the what is the conclusion on it?
Sir, you are
He is
trying.
my father or not? What is the conclusion?
it is-
What is the sar?
Sir, listen. You are saying that casteism.
Yeah.
Sir, saying that I am believing to casteism. Sir, casteism, yes, sir, casteism. Our constitution is not saying that you believe, sir, this casteism because of in our constitution, it is not proving that. And sir, you are saying that superstitious, they are killing to this type of activity, they are doing bad, wrong thing. And you know that Sati Pratha you told before some time ago, Sati Pratha they are doing and they are believing, they are not believing, they are forcing them, sir, that time. And they are forcing them to do this type of activity. Yeah. So they were not.
First of all, we have to understand. First of all, we have to understand. Some women were being forced, but some women were being forced psychologically. They got mind wash.
They were forcing.
And they had belief.
Sir, how to behave? How do you are saying that this is a belief system? How you can say that, sir?
First of all, we have to understand. We cannot say that every woman were being forced. Not every woman were not being forced.
So Sati Pratha was being forced, right?
It was forced. Casteism. It was forced, sir. Casteism is also forced, sir. Exactly. How do you can say that?
Sir,
You have father. You are believing that. You are believing yourself.
what is the conclusion?
Of course, he is right. He is talking about belief. And you're talking
And
believe.
No, sir, I want to give his answer.
Father is believe. And he's talking about belief. Do you understand that? Belief is all about trust. And belief is all about astha. That you have blind faith kind of. And he is talking about he's against belief. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Yes. He is against belief.
I am against your belief.
No, I really understand. He was talking about that one.
Sir, yes, sir. You believe. I am asking. You believe. I am saying that it is a knife. There is a knife. You have to believe it.
Superstitious. How do I can?
So that's why I am saying that belief is one of the worst thing. You should not believe. First, you should ask.
Wow! Yes!
Like I say, it is a nuclear bomb. Do you believe? First of all, you will ask a question that how can it is nuclear bomb? How can it will be nuclear bomb?
How can it be?
How can it will be nuclear bomb? First of all, you will ask question.
You don't see Allah or Bhagwan, you can believe.
I do not believe.
We should believe or not. I have just one question that I am saying just you are a boy. We should believe or not?
What is the base of belief?
Yes.
First, I will ask logic.
You want to say according to your according to your views, we are understanding that you are sometime believing and sometime rejecting it. What is this? It's only wastage of time. You are wasting our time.
Sir.
What is it? Don't smile.
Sir, could you please repeat me? I didn't understand. You are just scolding. No, you are just shouting.
What shouting?
Could you please repeat your...
You're a boy.
Yeah, I am a boy. And you are saying that
We should not believe it. How we should believe that you are?
Sir, they are not saying valuable thoughts. They are just saying your father, why you are not believing on your father.
Sir, it's not okay. He's talking about belief. No, you're talking about
Say
belief.
some logical thing.
I have a question.
Sir, say that, excuse me, stop talking to me.
Yes, sir.
Right, you don't deserve to talk to me.
Don't deserve.
Sir, I have a question. You don't superstition. You
No.
don't believe a superstition.
I said that
So
the
first
base
of all,
of
one
the-
listen to carefully. Then lots of people right now is going to anywhere. Okay, that time is in a way. That time is a cross.
He's on way.
This on way.
He is on way.
This in a way. So that time is across the Kalibili. So that why you are
Kali
the
Billi?
yeah. That time you are the stopping.
Black.
Cross the road. So that time why you are the stopping? Why you are not going to cross the
So
road?
it is happening because of belief now?
Yes.
It is happening because of belief. And it is, I am against of it.
Yes.
You are in my side, yeah?
He doesn't. Moral is don't deserve.
You doesn't deserve talk to me.
Don't.
You don't deserve talk to me.
I am deserved, bro.
But you are taking favor of me.
Yes, you are telling the thing he wants to tell.
Thank you, sir.
Sir,
Any last question, please?
Any last?
you don't see
Hello.
Allah or Bhagwan. You have a belief on Allah or Bhagwan.
I do not believe. I am finding with logical
What
thing.
belief?
I do not believe. I am on the path. I am finding.
Finding.
Yes.
You have some belief because
I don't have belief. I am finding. It can be not. It can be yes.
You are you don't
The God. Not I am. What? No, I am founder. Finder.
You do not have belief, so why are you finding?
Yes.
Why you want to find?
First of all, what is
You do not have belief on God. Okay, so why you find? According, why are you finding?
Because I am
According to you,
finding-
God is not here.
Because-
According to you, God is not here.
no? I'm not. I'm not saying God is not here. I am saying God is here, and as well God is not here. I am.
You do not have faith. You do not have faith.
God presents
Sir, please one. Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, I want to give your answer.
See, the point, the question that has been raised by Neetu, that you are finding God.
Yes, sir.
Why?
I'm not finding.
You have
I am
hope.
finding.
You have hope that one day I can find my God.
I don't
It
have
means you
hope.
have belief.
Sir, I don't have hope.
Then why are you finding
Because
God?
people say that.
Why
God
are you
exists.
finding
because
God then?
Our religion says.
Why are you finding God
Sir,
then?
listen, brother. First listen.
Our religion
Our
says.
religion says that God exists. That's why I want to find out that God exists or not. I am not saying that God
he
exists.
wants to change the belief of people. That people believe blindly.
Yes, sir.
Right? And he wants to find God, and in the last you will tell people there is no God or there is a God.
Yes.
If you find.
Yes.
Very nice. I'm not leading.
Yes, sir, you are leading him.
I'm justifying the point.
Please stop.
No, my language is not much good, so that's why, sir.
I was justifying that.
Justified.
Sir, you told, sir, you have a belief.
Yeah.
And
I don't have belief.
Sorry, you don't have belief, sir. So you took an example of Sati Pratha. So are you believing that was good or not? First of all, I want to know your opinion.
Sati Pratha. First of all, I want to ask a question to you.
You should give answer, na?
No.
I asked to you. I asked to you. You should give reply first.
If I burn myself or some woman in fire, it is good or not?
You
I
should.
want to ask.
You should give me reply, sir. I asked to. What do you think?
It is not good.
It's not good. That is your belief, na? That is your belief, na? You also believe in something, and you are talking about I am not believing in anything. You are saying I am not believing in anything. You are believing in something.
Sir, I have reached on the path, on the, matlab my goal na. First of all, I do not believe. I just find the path. What is wrong and what is right. And after the finding,
So when you reach
first of all,
destination, then you believe now.
first of all, I want to clarify. Sir, first of all, I want to clarify.
Sir.
I want to clarify.
Sir.
I want to clarify.
Sir,
I want to clarify. I mentioned.
You should sit down.
I mentioned. First of all,
Sir, one question. Sir, one, please. Sir, he has a belief or not? Why he come to Well Talk? Because he has a belief to learn English with the cap, sir.
Don't talk about well talk. Otherwise, he will say, I don't believe in well talk then.
Listen, he is believing one day I will speak because of cap, sir. Because he has a Well Talk.
And because of that belief, he is able to speak now. By the way, sir, have a seat. Other people should. Yes. All right. But I appreciate Shoaib the way he talked actually, right? It was fantastic. But somewhere we were confused between, belief and belief. Belief is just all about astha, taqwa that you have. But he was talking about that belief actually. Sometimes people start drinking wine, pouring into shoes as well. That's kind of belief. Like Australian people do that, right? After winning. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to invite the next person of the day, Miss Sikha.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Today, my topic is we should not respect person. Yes, sir.
Why?
Sir, We should not respect person. I am not respecting caps, sir. I'm not respecting this bhaiya. I'm not respecting, sir, sir.
Same to you.
Sir,
Same to you. I
Sir.
don't respect you. Do you respect?
Sir,
We don't respect your statement as well.
sir, I'm not respecting any person because I respect their behavior. I respect their thought. I respect the way he talk.
He talks. He talks.
I respect the way he talks or she talks. I'm not respecting the
I don't
person.
respect.
I don't respecting the person who is a rich, who is a unique, who is a successful in their life. I just respect their behavior towards me, towards other person.
You are wrong. Of course.
How, sir?
They
How
will
am
tell
I?
you. You are egoistic. You are selfish.
I'm
We
not-
should respect
I'm not-
enemy
I'm
as
not-
well. Wait. I think let Shikha complete the point. Right.
Yes, sir. Sir, I'm respecting Rani Lakshmibai because of her contribution, because of her work, what she did. I do not respecting the Bapu Asaram because he's a Bapu. I don't know. he was a great a worshipper for anyone, but I'm not respecting I don't respect his behavior, what he's done towards for other person, for other girls. I do not respect Nirav Modi because of he was a Fagota. He was a Fagota.
But you said that I do not respect camps as well. Why?
Sir,
Why?
let me complete.
Wait. Why?
Let me complete.
What did I do, guys?
Sir,
I can understand about them.
Because I respect the way you teach. I respect the way you taught.
But you said I don't respect. Tell me the reason why don't you respect?
The-
Poochta hai Bharat. Poochta hai Bharat.
As a particular person, I do not respect your body, your these things. But I respect your mentality.
Guys, I want to commit suicide.
I respect sir thought.
Guys, bring Fanda. I want to commit suicide.
Sir, let me give an example. Ask one question. If a person who is very rich by mentality, rich by a successful, he was a very successful in their life, but he just go and rape.
He goes
And just raped someone girls. Do you respect that person because he is very successful person, just because he is very unique, just because he have everything in their life? Ladies and gentlemen, just respect their behavior. Just ask your question.
Ma'am, you are raising the point of Nirav Modi. Why you do not give respect Nirav Modi? Ups and down is the part of life.
It was not upset. It was
Nirav
not.
Modi is a bankrupt. Nirav Modi is the bankrupt and is the failure of this person.
Yes, I consider he was bankrupt. But what was his mind? What was what was running everything in his mind?
You know what is the running in him mind?
If he bankrupt, he should be in India. Why he just run out from the India? It was his mentality, sir. It was his behavior. I don't respect that person.
Ups and down is the part of life.
Yes, ups and downs are part of life, I consider, but it's not mandatory that you just away from the India, you just went from the India, bhag jao, run away from the India. I don't respect people. I just respect their behavior, their thought. I don't respect you. The way you question me, I don't respect. You are favoring the Nirav Modi.
I think my thinking is very good. My mentality is very
You
good.
are not debatable person, ma'am. Ma'am, you are not debatable person. Anyone? Anyone can debate with me?
You should leave this country.
Why are you not respecting me?
Because, sir, brother, you looks very sweet.
Thank you, ma'am.
You look very sweet.
Thank
but
you.
your thought is better than your looks, sir. That's why I'm respecting you.
Oh, this is good for me. Yeah.
Yes, it's good for you.
Yeah.
As a particular person, I never respect you. I will never respect you. But as a particular,
But without see my behavior, how can you judge? How can you judge I am a good or bad?
Well, sir, I seen your behavior, sir. I seen your behavior.
Ma'am, if the person don't want to talk to you first, if the person doesn't talk to you first, you will not give him respect.
Sir, no, sir. I'm not saying that. Firstly, we should know about that person. I'm not denied that.
Without
if you
talking,
are,
how can you judge the person?
How can you know a person?
How can you know the person?
Sir.
Yeah.
Any stranger person, even though also I'm not saying that I will not respect that person.
Before sometimes you said that you cannot respect the person. How can you judge the person without talking?
You know the boundaries, creating boundaries, sir. I will not give that much respect as I give the person whom I know.
Talk to me.
Tell me, sir.
How are you? Meet.
What's your opinion, sir?
Not
About
opinion.
yeah.
He's a stranger for you.
Okay. Okay.
Judge me. But I respect you.
Yeah.
I respect you.
Hello, sir. How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay. Sir, I'm not saying that I'm respect this person.
Slap him then.
How can I?
Abuse him.
Sir, it's not about
How can
it's
you
not
talk
about
as
behavior. Sir, listen, it's not about behavior. It's about my humanity. It's my humanity.
So it means you respect everyone. Yes. Hey, sit down. He's lost. Don't. You wanna come here? Let us invite Rakhi. Please come to the stage.
Good morning to everyone. Good morning, respected sir.
Don't say to everyone. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, respected sir. So today's my topic is really matter to wear a good cloth? Is really show your mentality? It shows your mentality by wearing good cloth? I don't think so. It is not my opinion. I don't think so. Your dress shows your mentality. Your dress shows your good thought. Your behavior shows. I will tell after some time, and now it's turn to your.
If I talk about UPSC interview, if even you did not wear a single tie, it affect on your job.
First of all, I want to know, sir, what is the meaning of good cloth, according to your view?
Yes, according to me, good clothes mean you have to show it shows your personality, it shows your view.
How your cloth can show your personality? If your cloth is showing your personality, you don't need to learn English language. Wear good cloth and just go on road. If your cloth is showing your personality, you don't need to learn anything.
But let me tell you, first impression is the last impression. Everybody knows. If how can I? Without if I am not wearing a good cloth, if I am unable to wear clothes, I am able to learn English. I will be able to learn English.
Sir,
without wearing the cloth and without having.
Sir, first of all, your impression created by your expression and good thought. It is not created by your good cloth. Like you came in office and you want to take admission. Sir will not give you admission on the basis of your cloth. Sir will give you on the basis of your communication, of your interest.
But I have come here for learning communication, then firstly he will judge me.
So that's the thing,
Why he will judge me? I have learned.
What he
will
said,
not judge
I
me
could not
now. I have
understand
come
what he said. What he Sir, what he said?
My camera and focus.
What? Could you repeat that?
It will be profitable for cabs, sir. It doesn't matter that Bhikhari is coming and rich people is coming. Both are same for cabs, sir.
Yes.
But for company, for taking job, it cannot be possible if you are wearing मतलब फटे हुए torn clothes, then it would be very less chances that you would be selected in that company.
Sir, if you are selecting on the basis of good cloth, on the basis of what you wear, like costly,
It is only your thought.
Sir,
Let
me complete, sir. On the basis of these things, so you should remember not a quality. You are believing in good, looking outlook. You are judging on outlook, and always quality matter, not your
yes, ma'am,
outlook.
but you are right. But your thought is not good for this world. This world runs according to the clothes, according to your quality, your personality, not your thought.
What he is saying, I'm not.
I made a mistake.
Sir, what he is saying?
Sir, I made a mistake.
In today's world,
Yes, sir.
your outer appearance, your dressing sense shows your education. How literate you are, how educated you are, it appears by your dressing, by your appearance.
It means Swami Vivekananda was not literate person.
He was wearing good clothes.
He was philanthropist, na, but he weared.
was wearing good
He
clothes.
weared.
He was wearing good clothes.
Sir,
He was
according
wearing
now
good
you
clothes.
now you are appreciating, but that
You are
time
appreciating, huh?
appreciating, but that time many people asked question on his cloth.
Many
It-
people can ask
according to-
question on tie as well. What do you mean by that?
Sir,
what do you
I
mean by
said-
that? The topic is that wearing good cloth, is it important or not? You said that, and you are saying
It
no,
is
it's
not
not important.
important,
But
yes.
these people are saying it's important,
Yes,
and
sir.
they are proving that ki it shows how educated you are.
So that's why I'm saying, na,
Yeah.
you are saying.
Swami Vivekananda wore a good cloth actually. We
According
respect,
to
we respect
sir,
from the bottom of the heart.
according to us, because we are Indian, but think about like American people. What they said? They said you are not wearing.
Ma'am, wearing. If I have tie,
One-
Raki, if I have tie, it looks professional. Okay, if I
Okay.
and wearing that tie, putting that tie, if I go to village, Namaste uncle, for them it will be very awkward. It depends where you are with your dressing.
But-
so Swami Vivekananda went there, he was quite spiritual. For them it was very awkward. So do not compare that.
He
Do not
didn't
compare
go,
that.
sir.
Of course.
He didn't go. He was.
And we respect Swami Vivekananda, he wore good clothes.
But
who
sir-
are you to say that this is not good cloth? Say sorry
I
to Indian
didn't say.
people.
I didn't say.
Say sorry to Indian people.
Why I will say? Listen to me. Why I will say? Why should I say?
That time in America, conducted Dharma Sansad related to Dharma. So Swami Vivekananda also a spiritual man. Or
Sister, you want to say that policemen should not wear their wordi and
Sir,
advocates should not wear their cloth. And in armies, our army soldier does not wear their dress. And in the school, in colleges, the dress system should be banned. And what if a man is starting to wearing a shalwar and jumper, and what if a girl is starting to wear dhoti and kurta? What you will say?
sir, do you know why it is essential dress in school? Because of discrimination. If you are not wearing the same.
It's importance of proper dress.
नहीं sir, आप manipulate कर रहे हैं. No sir, you are sir, you are not. You didn't.
And what
let
would
me
you like to
complete.
suggest, Mr. Cab, sir?
Sir, let me complete my word.
Yes, sir.
Do you know why it is compulsory? So that people cannot discriminate you on the basis of your good cloth or bad cloth. That's why it is compulsory.
That's why we are supporting proper dress in school. It's
What are you
importance
talking?
of cloth.
Sir, what he's saying? That's why we are supporting dress.
And
Sir, let me. According to me, in which dress you are comfortable, that is good cloth, and it is also be affordable for you. Not for saying
we are supporting this point.
it is not for, and your mentality should be. It is not showing your mentality. It should be for simplicity, it should be for only for comfortableness.
Yes.
Only.
They are also saying the same thing.
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Should be good cloth.
What they said,
What is good cloth according
sir.
to you?
What they said.
You told rightly that this is good cloth. I can wear,
Sir,
top as well.
what they said your cloth shows your mentality. How your cloth can show your mentality?
Who said
You
that?
said. Everyone said.
No, nobody.
No, no, no,
Everybody
no,
said.
no, no, no.
No,
No,
everybody
sir.
said.
You are
Sir,
saying that.
he said. You can check your video. He said.
Sister, one question.
Answer
Sir,
Fakir
he
first
said
of all.
that
You
person.
should answer Fakir first of all.
I have one question. You say that you should wear the cloth in which cloth you feel comfortable. People were coming, all the trainees were coming in their clothes, in which cloth they were comfortable. But Mr. Cap sir had prohibited and that nobody will come on. Nobody should come on t-shirt
And lower.
and lower.
Yes.
And the people should also not wear their sleepers in the classroom. So you want to say that Cap sir was wrong?
You should know, sir.
Was caps are wrong?
You should.
Yes or no?
You should, sir. हम लोग बोलने क्यों दे रहे हैं? Sir, you should let him.
Yes.
Sir, you should know, sir. Sir never prohibited any dress for any product.
I did it.
You never did it.
you are
If you did-
disrespecting our
Sir,
sir.
you prohibited. You prohibited. But we
You
we
are
didn't,
under
like, we
CCTV
do
camera.
not wear any type of. Sir, you launched one T-shirt.
No.
You launch one T-shirt and you never force anyone to wear this T-shirt. Why? I want to know why. Why? Okay. Why, sir, not prohibited like you to wear that well-talk T-shirt?
Actually,
Because he believe you should wear according to your dress, in which dress you are comfortable.
That's a good dress. That's a good dress. That's a good dress.
That's a good dress,
She
now.
is comfortable in this. It's a good dress for her.
Yes, it's a good. That's
So we are supporting good dress. But you are saying that I am against.
no,
What is it?
sir. You are also saying no. Sir.
yes, definitely,
No.
definitely.
Please.
If you no, sir.
Your first statement was I am against good dress.
I was against, like, your never dress shows your mentality. That was my
This is not
point.
the topic. This is your thought.
That was my point,
You
sir.
are against good dress.
I am not against. I am against never your good dress can show your mentality.
And they
And they said, and
So
that
I think
person
that
said your
topic is
mentality
going on the
shows
wrong
my-
direction.
If there is a dress and it is comfortable for you, then you can wear. And why it is comfortable? Because it is good dress.
According to your choice, no?
So yes, it is good dress, na. So
So according to your
that's why I
choice.
am wearing it. It is comfortable for me.
You need to understand that.
Sir.
Shoaib, talk to her. Sir.
So he stopped his talking.
Aye, he's right.
So what? Ma'am, let him explain
like
first.
it is a
then
dress.
It's like-
It is comfortable for me. And why it is comfortable?
You
Because
should
it is
know.
good dress.
According
And
to
you are against of good dress.
I am not.
You are very
Sir,
confused.
what they are saying? Sir, you are not listening me.
I have listened.
No, sir, you are not listening me. What he sir, what Shoaib said? What Shoaib said? Sir, Shoaib is saying.
Why you
Let
wear
him-
this cloth?
let
Why
him-
you wear this cloth?
Ma'am, let him firstly explain his point. So, sir, he said,
You should sit down. I'm sorry.
sir, please give me one chance for explain my point. Sir, he said he is comfortable in his T-shirt. That's why he wear, according to him. So the point is he is comfortable, na? I am.
And
Why is he comfortable? That's
why it is comfortable?
Why?
Because it is good, na.
He knows, na, why it is comfortable for
And
him.
yeah, Aarti, Rakhi, listen one more thing. Like, suppose that I am comfortable in girls' clothes and I wear it and I go in market, then people will think that I am from LGBT.
You are from?
LGBT. Like, so people will judge and people will disrespect me.
That's why
So-
wearing good dress is important. Talking now, you.
Sir,
I'm sorry.
sir, he is giving
Let us
us.
invite the next person of the day.
Sir,
Let us invite the next person, Mr. Salman. Please. Alright, so what topic have you decided?
Sorry?
Fagunia? His topic is Fagunia. Please.
Good morning, everyone. I don't have any topic, but I will.
This is the debate, guys. Why does he not have topic? Why does he not have topic? Why? Why do you not have topic here? What are you doing here? What are you doing here?
I will try my best. I will try my best. My topic is marriage important or not?
How cute he is. I don't have topic, but
What do you think about marriage? My according is marriage. According to me, marriage is not important for me.
Yes.
According to me, marriage is not important for me because marriage gives me a lot of depression. I have already depressed man.
I'm already depressed.
Why do you need a marriage?
How can you say? I want a small child.
No, it's complete. It's complete.
Please.
Ask me. Yes, complete.
Sir said that marriage gives him depression, his depression. Sir, he wants to study and become something else.
But do you
During
know
his
which
study,
type
you
of
also
depression?
get his depression state. It is a part of your process and life circle, sir. Why you run away from the responsibility?
Which type of depression? What talking me? Study and work is not depression. Like I afraid about the depression. Loyalty. Do you know about the loyalty? 80% in country loyalty is less. Suppose I have a wife. I am doing in a work in Lucknow. My wife.
My wife.
Sir,
I am Lucknow. I am doing a work. My salary is 10,000, but my wife is not. My wife make us some extramarital affair.
And go with Suzanne.
Yes. And he have a lot of money, and my wife engaged with him.
Sir, this is your partner problem. This is not a marriage
This is loyalty problem. This is loyalty problem. Loyalty.
This is a loyalty problem, and this is also
Why my wife
loyal with you. This is
Why-
a partner problem. This is not a marriage problem.
Listen to me, please.
I'm listening.
Why my wife loyal? Why my wife not loyal with me? Is not loyal with me.
Why? You should know, sir. Why?
I know.
10,000.
I know because of 10,000.
Because it's your problem. Why you not earning a lot of money? Why you do not do hard work?
What do you
for
think
your
about the
earning?
people? 80% about the people in जी रहे हैं राशन पे.
They are surviving on ration. So their wife should run away.
They had the,
No, he's right. He's saying 80% people are surviving on ration. So their wife should run away with Joseph.
Yes.
My God. Raki has question.
because Joseph doing a hard work for earning money.
80% wife should go there.
I am already doing hard work.
Raki has a question. Different question.
Sir, you are against in marriage. So
Of
what do
course.
you think, sir? Your parents' decision was good to get married or wrong? What do you think, sir?
It is my personal thing.
But now, sir, you are here for debating how this matter can be personal. You are here for debating, and now this matter can be personal.
it's a social issue, sir.
Now it has become a debatable matter. So you
Marriage
should
is my
debate.
personal matter.
Sorry?
Marriage is.
But in future I will marry.
Yes,
But
I will do. I will not do.
But sir, you are here.
Huh? Yes, of course.
Good morning, everyone. This is me Satish. I am from Andhra Pradesh. Today I am going to debate with you on the. I am against to the selfishness. Yeah, being selfishness is not good always, and yeah, being selfish is not good always. That selfishness will will destroy your relationship sometimes, and that selfishness will leads to you like be alone in sometimes, and that selfishness, it will hurt someone who believes you strongly. And being selfish, it's not good for you also, because when you are in team, so you are behaving like selfish, the team will not support you, they will put aside. So this is my way of selfish.
Sir, what is the definition of selfishness? Sir, what is the definition of selfishness?
Selfishness being I want everything. I believe like
Believe?
happiness. Yeah, I believing happiness comes from giving, not comes from taking. So that's kind of
So you are against selfishness.
selfish. Yeah.
Okay. But we should be selfish.
As well, you are against selfishness is a very important in our life.
Yeah, it's important sometimes, but not always.
Sir, I am selfish because I prioritize my limits and my study. If I am not selfish, then anyone can come and get disturb me.
Why are you believing that selfishness will only leads your success? If you have a good determination, if you have a good, strong commitment, why don't you
That's
believe?
why we need selfishness, sir. If you are determined, you should be selfish. From yourself, it should be. You should be selfish, sir.
No, I can't
No,
believe
yes,
that.
you should be selfish, sir.
Oh, please sit down. Satish is very neutral guy. He's very humble guy. No problem. Let us invite Miss Surbi. Please come on stage. I want you to fight, guys. A person who comes, he must be very, kind of argumentative.
Good morning, everyone. So my topic is parents. Like parents are not giving equality to boys and girls. Like suppose I can give you one example. Here many girls are sitting. You can ask them like they have a work in their home. They have washed the utensils. They have completed all work of their home chores and all. And after that they are ready and then they come here. And if I ask you boys, like they are not doing any work, who are not employed, so they are just waking up at 9 a.m. and having bath and grooming themselves and then coming here. So why is this happening? Like why there is no equality? If a girl is working, if girls know household chores, so boys also knows about their household chores, and they should help equal in the house. Everyone should have that equality to work in the house like that.
Thank you, ma'am.
Of course.
Okay, ma'am. You have mentioned here, ma'am, the girls only for house chores. Boy never do the such thing.
No, it's not. It's not a. The thing is, parents, like if I talk about moms, like they're saying, yeah, this is the work of girls. Why, matlab, क्यों मेरा लड़का करेगा ये काम? Like this, why my boy
Okay,
will do the household chores?
I understood your points, ma'am. As you know, which work girls do at home, the same work the boys do in another city. The same thing, like if you are living in at home, you are washing the cloth and utensils, each and everything. The same thing the boys do in the city for the study purpose, for the job, each and everything. It means the both are same, the both are equal, the both are doing the same thing.
No.
So how you can say?
If there is a youth, a girl is not employed, a boy is not employed. So what about them? Like a girl, see, I'm a girl, you know, when I was at home, I have to do all work, I have did nursing, I have to do, first of all, I have to cook food, I have to do all chores, then I will go for a job, and then only my parents allow me to do work.
Ma'am,
What is this?
if you are asking about the
What is
equality,
this? My bro is also much more younger, but he's not employed, so he should also help me na, in the household. So if I'm
problem-
doing something,
that is-
each and every person in the family, everyone should work the same.
ma'am, the problem is that I told you that right now, if you are living in a village, no problem. Sometimes it happen like the boys never work and the only girls do the same thing. No, but if you come any city, like any city, if you come out from your house, that time say everyone is equal. Like you are living at home and the boys are living in city. They both are doing the same thing. Like they also have to wash the cloth, they also have to wash the utensil, they also have to cook the food.
So
Each
I
and
want
every single
equality
work they
in
have to manage.
everywhere, in village, in city, everywhere. Why is this not happening? Yes. Tell me.
Ma'am, everywhere is
I want
happening.
answer.
If you need equality, it means you have to manage all these things.
I want to change the mentality of parents. Why they are behaving like this with girls and boys? If they are teaching how to cook food to girls, they should also teach same to boys as well.
Ma'am, first of all, let me tell you, we cannot equalize in everything. The beauty of girl is incomparable. The duty of a girl is incomparable.
But
Of course. Why are you just comparing with boy? Boy has their own beauty and girls have their own beauty. Of course, they can. Then why does she want equality? They have their own beauty, we have our own beauty,
sir,
but she wants equality.
see, in future, if I will marry, so suppose I will be sick. So if I don't have anyone in my family, so if a boy is not knows about the cooking and all, so who will cook food for me? Who will do some that all? If a boy
Boys
doesn't-
nowhere. See, the point, first of all, boys also know how to cook. Now the point, what kind of equality do you want? That's a big question.
Sir,
You are saying there is a discrimination between genders, right?
Yes.
So what kind of equality do you want?
see, like workload, you know. See, I'm talking about youth, not employed. After employed, before I'm talking about youth. So, if a girl is there, if a boy is there, they are both are not employed. But girl is having all responsibilities of house, and boy is not doing. Just he have to work on his
He has
study.
to.
He has to work on his study, and that's all. He will get the food by his own. Even he don't have. Even he will get the food which is served. A girl want to eat a food.
And
she
when
have to
after
serve.
marriage? After marriage?
Means-
The girl, what does girl have to do? She has to make food and sleep. Like you are disrespecting boy before marriage, I can disrespect girl after marriage as well. What girls have to do? Girls only have to apply cream and make food and sleep after marriage. Is this what you're talking about? Yes. And before
So
marriage,
girl is also doing the same study and all, na sir.
so
I'm
what
talking
kind of
about that.
equality do you want, ma'am? What kind of equality do you want? And there is no discrimination, first of all. You should understand that. Everybody is okay and everybody is equal.
And sir, she is cooking food. That food, she said about food. You are making food. That food bring by that boys. Brought by that boys, because boys have more responsibility.
No, I'm talking about
and-
before employed. Like, you know, we are youth, like boys also.
Ma'am, can you please tell them what kind of equality do you want?
In PG, lots of unemployed boys are making food. That's why you get it.
Thank you.
You get food, ma'am.
Ma'am, you are talking about equality. Why you want to need a reservation? I'm not against girl. Here we are doing debate.
Reservation. You know, you have, because girl will get, listen
In
to
which
me.
village you live?
Let me complete. You know, because you are going to get married in different house. You know, if you will employ, if you will earn money, so that money will go to the different house. You know, we will not get anything like that. So why we will spend money on you? We have boy.
Ma'am,
So
firstly,
we
you
will
told
spend on
me
him
in which
only.
village you live.
No, it is happening nowadays as well. You can go at home, people's home, you know, they have.
I am also I am coming here after, completing my
a
study,
person
I am
have,
earning money, and after getting married,
a person have 4 girls and 1 boy. Sir, a person have 4 girls and 1 boy. He's spending only on his boy only. What about that 4 girls? If a girl will not get a perfect boy in her life, so what she will do? Her life will be destroyed. Boy is employed because the other parents have spent money in education, everything, you know, providing a proper company and employed job. So, and what about that 4 girls, you know, because they are more, girls are more, and they are going to marry in different house, so they are not spending on money on that girls. What about them?
In this era, I think, according to my mentality and according to my observation,
You can go home, people's home, you can go, still it's happening, ma'am. It's not about the
according to me, you are totally wrong. According to me, your opinion is totally worthless.
You can go home, people's home, and just go and check out.
So you are saying that you are talking with the modulation that he...
But I'm not saying like this.
No, you are wrong, ma'am. My point is right. You are wrong, and my point is absolutely right. You can go outside, you can search about you, you can search. The discrimination is happening still. Still it's happening, You can go and check out. You can go and check out.
She is saying that boys are given more importance by
Yes,
parents,
exactly.
but girls are not. Why? Because parents think that after getting married, she will be someone else's.
And this started from first day, the time the girl is born, you know, it started from the first day, you know. If a boy and girl are, they are like, you know, they born twins, you know, they are born twins. So suppose people have less money, so the milk will be provided more for the boy only. The girl, she will not get the proper milk.
She's right.
Yes, exactly, it's happening,
And
sir.
I saw in my village as well. There were twins. Boy was allowed to go in, you know, one private school,
Yes,
one
exactly.
public convent school,
Yes.
and
And the girl is going in a
the girl
government
was
school.
allowed for the government school, which is underrated, you know, school. I felt very sad.
Still, and good cloth also, you know, boys is having good clothes, that, you know, whatever he demands, he will get immediately. If a girl is demanding something, so no, you have to wait, your bro is big.
She
and
deserves
still-
trophy, guys. Bring one trophy right now. The way she is debating, wow, marvelous. Or every day I notice one girl comments in every video कि सर माई पेरेंट्स आर नॉट अलाउिंग एक्चुअली. हो सकता है वो मेरी बहन देख रही होगी वीडियो. माई पेरेंट्स आर नॉट अलाउिंग टू गो एनीवेयर फॉर स्टडी फॉर एजुकेशन. मैं क्या करूं सर, ऐसा क्वेश्चन रेज होता है. तो आई वुड लाइक टू रिक्वेस्ट कि अगर पेरेंट्स आज इजाज़त नहीं दे रहे हैं, अनुमति नहीं दे रहे हैं, ठीक है मत दीजिए, लेकिन याद रखना आपको ही एक दिन आँख में खून के आंसू आ सकते हैं, क्योंकि वो अगर शिक्षित नहीं होगी तो इन फ्यूचर किसी के घर में जाके वो एक डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस का शिकार बन सकती है. एक्स्ट्रा मैरिटल का हस्बैंड अगर हो जाएगा तो वो कहीं ना कहीं अगर एजुकेटेड नहीं रहेगी तो आपको भी रोना पड़ेगा, शायद उसको भी रोना पड़ेगा. तो आपसे विनम्र निवेदन है कि आप अपनी बेटी को पढ़ाएं और भेजें और बिलीव करके भेजें, बिकॉज आपके विश्वास से वो प्रयास करेगी और प्रयास से ही जीवन में कुछ अच्छा कर पाएगी, ताकि डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस से और किसी भी प्रॉब्लम से बच सके. And here she deserves. Beautiful. Fantastic. Please have a seat. Very nice, very nice.